right, what I want to test here is how well the basket feet perform in kind of like a snowpack area. So we're just gonna punch it down through with, let's say we didn't have the foot like the traditional chair, or any other chairs for that matter. And watch this, right? That's going way down. I mean, it's still pretty hard, but look, if I didn't have the foot on there, I could, I can go keep going. All right, let's break this up a little bit even. All right, we go put our seat on, and I'm gonna brutalize this sucker sitting in it. See if we can get it to sink in this kind of snowpack area. All right. You see that foot? You see the foot? It's flexible. All right. Oops. It's flexible. Flexible conical foot. All right. Let's do it. Right here. Let's turn to the side so you can actually see it. All right. I'm gonna jump on it. Yeah. See if we're gonna get by here. Oh yeah. Yeah. Try again. Try again. Haha. He's not gonna flip over, that's for sure. Go back. I'm leaning back downhill. How about on two legs? Let's do the two-leg test. Go back like this. Two-leg test. All right, back on two legs. On two legs. Two legs, and I'm not sinking. I'm not punching through. Look, we'll wiggle around a little bit. Okay. You see that? That's pretty awesome. Do it again. Oops. Pull my leg off. It's tricky. Slippery. Okay. Two legs again. Now this thing is meant to tip forward like this to tend the fire. Right? It's meant to tend the fire, tip forward, get your gear, whatever. But it is designed so that you cannot hardly fall back in it. It's meant to do that. It's designed that way so that you cannot tip back side to side, but it's designed to be able to tip forward, tend the fire without having to get out of your chair. That's pretty sweet.